Yo, what's good guys? This is me, Daniel, back on my channel. I am so freaking hyped. Wow, it has been such a crazy move. Oh my gosh. Where have we been on the chart last time? Last time we have been around in this small consolidation area. Starting to fill this week to the upside exactly like I predicted. Like I said, this week will not stay there. We are going to fill this definitely. And so we had this move to the upside first. Then we started the consolidation here around the weekend. So Saturday, Sunday, we were here inside of this range. Let's take a deeper look inside of this. So here we can see point of control was down there. If we pull a fib from this low here to around this high, don't need this for now. We can see that we first touched the 382 here. Then we started building another range. Here, the value area low was down there, point of control up there. So let's just keep the point of control. And I pull another fib from this low here to the high. And here we can see that on Sunday, around 9 o'clock German time. I'm, by the way, also always looking at the timing of where these moves happen, where the highs, where the lows are put in. That's also an important factor for me, because I simply realized that at certain times, certain highs and lows are put in. This is something I'm always taking into consideration. On Saturday, Sunday, yeah, the high here was put in around Saturday 20 o'clock and this low here around Sunday 9 o'clock. So then we add this higher low. We started the higher lows from here, then here another higher low, here another higher low, and now here also another higher low, and here also. This was Sunday 11 p.m. This was Sunday 11 p.m. And with Monday started exactly here on this candle. And starting with this candle, we had another phenomenal start into the week. Exactly like last week. Last week also we had a pump straight starting on Monday, and so this week basically exactly the same. What happened after that? We had first this high here, which we where we took out the liquidity first time, a second time, and then starting on Monday we had a push towards the upside. We also had the high of this week. This is also important. And here you can see we perfectly here broke up to the upside, backtested this consolidation high here from resistance into support, broke out once again, and here on Monday 20 o'clock we have perfectly backtested even this high here at 30.6k on the Bybit chart as support. And this is then where the real move started. So with everyone on YouTube going to sleep at 11 p.m. German time, in the USA it was even during the night, so everyone was asleep, and then the real move, real breakout to the upside happened. Where did we break out to? Well, 35k. Let's take a deeper look into how this happened. So we were here at this major resistance. We had all of these highs here, which is high liquidity on the chart. We took it out here first time with this big wick that we have seen. Let's just delete all of the other analysis. So we had this big wick here where we took out this liquidity, then had this big retracement here from the range, had an upward sloping consolidation here, and took out this high of this wick here once again. So this liquidity here was taken once again. Another factor, if I pull a fib from this high here to the overall low, the golden pocket here, as I told you in one of the previous videos, extremely important if this is holding as resistance or as support, and we seem to have reclaimed this as support. And from the 618 then we pushed further to the upside. Then the 786, and this is basically coming in here at these highs together with this wick. And here we can zoom in, and here the same scenario like we had with the 618. 786 first held as resistance, like here, as resistance, then reclaimed as support, and then we basically broke out to the upside. And after that, yes, we still had this 886 fib here, which also did act as small resistance. But to be honest, once we break above the 786 of a key high, and reclaim this from resistance into support, that is basically the time where we can imagine the price taking out here this high, which exactly happened. To be honest, we had the scenario of just taking this high here, but that it would end in a fake out. We came back below and then we could have dropped. Yes, that was very possible. But didn't happen, and we had a legitimate breakout to the upside above this range high. So, and where are we right now on the chart? For that we have to zoom out a little bit further. We had this consolidation highs from June last year, sorry, which are basically the same as we have right here. We have taken out those. Let's maybe mark the current high. Here, and then we can see where the price has basically stalled for now. So we went up into here. Basically on the first side, already see that this here has been a major support during January to March 2022. So this has been a very key support, and now we are testing this as resistance. Furthermore, on the monthly time frame here, we have this monthly level. So I will mark this as purple. We had this monthly level. This was already backtested as support, then we lost it, and now we are potentially backtesting this as resistance. Unless we close the month above this level here, this is considered more bearish. Furthermore, we have also a monthly level up here at around 38k, and then this level here or this level, which are basically both at 48k. We are now testing this first big resistance area here. If I pull a fib from the all-time high to the all-time low, we can see 786 coming in at 50k, 618 coming in at around 40k. So right now price is at 35k, and this big resistance area here extends towards 40k. So 35 to 40k, massive resistance. And after that we have really only 48 to 53k maybe. This here is also an area, and after that nothing. So we are potentially reaching a really massive resistance area here. And let's zoom in a bit more what the price is doing right now. So we had this breakout here above our major range high at 32k, and after that the price didn't really look back at it again. We had initially a big rejection. We can maybe from this low here, because I guess this is where it started kind of, to the high, and let's put in the 382. Here we can see 382. Yeah, it was basically retested here on an even lower time frame, and now we are also seeing kind of an upward sloping range being built here. If I put on the fixed range, okay, the point of control is where the price is right now. To be honest, these highs here don't really look that good, so to be honest I would expect the price to take out these once again and go beyond 35.7k. But we definitely have to keep in mind that this is such an impulsive move towards the upside. Here is really no market structure built at all. We are just building higher low after higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. And yeah, it could continue to go up like that. I have nothing against it. I'm long since down here, so I have basically made 25% on this move to the upside here already, and I have taken non-profit so far because I still haven't seen any weakness, and if I had the chart showing me some signs of potential weakness and potential reversal, then I would definitely have closed my longs and open a short. For now that hasn't occurred, and I'm still potentially looking for more upside here, at least locally. I don't know how far this will extend. Like I said, 35 to 40k is our big area. A lot of people are really bullish right now. Additionally, the ETF news are a key factor for people being bullish, so this could definitely squeeze up even more. We have currently from this low here to this high seen a 50% increase in price. That is really huge. It could extend even further, but for that I'm basically still waiting for a few days or a few weeks what the price is gonna do. If it's gonna consolidate and then maybe build some lower highs, lose a local point of control, that would be for me at least a local sign of weakness. Until that doesn't happen, I'm waiting. And yeah, if it dumps from here and we go back below this key high, that of course would be really bearish, and then I would definitely close my long. I know I could have taken more profits out, but I'm preferring to be secure instead of taking out the most amount of profits possible. Speaking of a potential drop, let's look at some support levels we have potentially on the chart. Let's pull this very big fixed range. We can see the value area high coming in at the 32k high. Point of control a bit lower. The fib from this low to the high. I really rarely look at the 0.5 fib. So for me, the golden pocket and the 382 are the most important always. And so the 382 also comes in around here. Then we can pull a fib from this low here. Here we can see 382 also up there, and a golden pocket a bit below here. And then let's pull another fixed range from the start of this consolidation here and pull it to the right. And yeah, basically just another confluence. So for me, the biggest support levels are around 32 to 31k, then 30k to 29k ish, and then 28 to 27k. These are the current major supports for me. And like I said, we are here at resistance, entering at the resistance area, so we could of course see something like some consolidation here, then take out the highs, come back down lower, take out the highs once again, and you know, spend like weeks in here and then potentially reverse back down. That is possible. Or we continue to build bullish market structure here and break out even further to the upside. That is also possible. So for me, just a waiting game. I'm staying long till I see some invalidation of that, and then I will of course enter a short and tell you in a video about that. Also guys, I'm not intending to brag or anything like that. I'm just showing you what's possible. So let's take a look at my Discord group. Here I said yesterday evening, be aware I would never ever long here as we are already way too high, and for me this is no entry for a higher time frame long trade because I'm already long. This is just locally what I think might happen next. So these were my thoughts, and let's take a look. Yeah, it happened perfectly from this local consolidation here on Sunday. Then we started the pump here. Of course the timing was not perfect, but yeah, that's just how it is. I can't be 100% right, like and on Monday this week then the pump towards the upside started, and of course we not only took out this high here like it was my plan, but we pushed way higher. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and if you do, leave a like, leave a comment, and sub if you don't want to miss out on the next videos and next price movements. And have a nice day guys. Bye.